Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can show hidden files and folders in Windows 7. So let's get started. If you need to access hidden files or folders on your Windows 7 computer, you can easily make them visible through the Control Panel settings. Start by clicking on the Start menu and opening the Control Panel. Once the Control Panel opens, select Appearance and Personalization. Under the Folder Options section, click on Show Hidden Files and Folders. This will open the Folder Options window where you can manage file visibility settings. In the View tab, look for the option labeled Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Select this option to make hidden items visible on your computer. After selecting it, click Apply and then click OK to save the changes. That's all you need to do. Hidden files and folders will now appear in File Explorer, allowing you to access items that were previously hidden from view in Windows 7. This can be useful when troubleshooting problems, accessing application data, or finding files that are hidden by default in Windows 7. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.